now it's Dr. Patrick Treacy.
We should look at maybe some of the new things that are coming on
Yeah,
the market.
absolutely.
Yeah, people in this generation are tending to move away from the, I suppose, Joan Rivers look more to the Lindsay Lohan look. So they're sort of going away from tight, fixed, pulled skin and moving from dermal fillers, which I love, to more bioregenerative things. So the sort of things that are in the market, this is exosomes. So they discovered recently the little vesicles within cells that they thought was just there as a garbage to get rid of waste products actually contain signal messengers to code skin to regenerate, to make chromosomes last longer, to block telomere shortening, to boost our immune system. And as yet in Britain and in Europe we're not allowed to inject these, but a beautician can roll them in, and now they've done some trials in Sweden and I believe soon in Dubai also, where they're going to inject them into blood vessels. So there's human ones and plant ones, and as yet we're not allowed to use human ones because of the risk of it carrying some, I suppose, malformed DNA to form cancer. So exosomes are interesting from the point of view this will be part of the future. These will do 3 or 4 things. Number one, they can form collagen because they can signal code to tell fibroblasts make more collagen. The second thing, they're involved in tissue repair. The third thing, which is interesting, is they're going to be involved in anti-aging because they'll be able to influence the telomeres. This is a little bottle of a secret thing that I'm not allowed to show yet, but it's coming out soon in another form of something called secretomes. So exosomes are
Secretomes.
tell the cell what to do,
Yeah.
but secretomes tell from one cell to another one to do. So one is intracellular, the other is extracellular. The thing about all these things, the technology is there, but what is inside the exosomes are the secretomes. So I have an analogy, it's almost like a train coming from China all the way to London. And we first look in the train, it's all these products, and we're saying, oh my God, isn't it wonderful? But most of the products are cheap and rubbish. So what we need to do is not look at the products, but the train. What cargo you put in the train. So once we can control the cargo, then we're really be able to use these things in a totally different way. It'll make your pancreas last longer. It'll make your heart sort of heal itself if it's heading.
It's all incredible.
The future is there. And of course, there's the old salmon sperm.
Oh, not again. So how does it? Just you've got to tell us how you get the salmon sperm. I mean,
They milk the salmon.
they milk them.
Yes, but the thing is, it's the sperm that has the DNA fragments.
Who
And
found
the
that
DNA
out?
fragments, well, they knew that DNA fragments could probably be used to code our DNA and RNA to help us in certain ways, particularly again for tissue repair and collagen. We've used polynucleotides in medicine for about 30 years in terms of wound repair, but this is the first time we decided, let's inject it into people's faces and make skin get younger.
Most of what we've talked about on this episode has been about the face.
Sure.
So I think in another episode,
Yeah.
I'd love to know.
Body contouring.
I've got a very long neck, you know, which I'm aware is getting a little older, and my, as you said, décolletage is what things you can do.
Before we even close this program,
Yeah.
you have what we call a turkey neck. It's very easy to treat that with Botox, just to be aware.
Just to put some in me. What's it?
Yes.
Yes. Well, I think on that note,
Yes.
we ought to say
What,
goodbye.
Can I have it? I've got a turkey neck now. I've got to go.
Go on the guy.
Just be comfortable in your own skin,
Thank
turkey
you.
neck or not. That's all I'm saying.
I'm in good company.
Thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you,
in
Patrick.
again, because every time we meet you, I feel like we could talk for another 12 hours and still not hear everything. It's just incredible.
Thank you.
So thank you for watching, and join us again on Beauty Investigates.